Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and what I'm going to do in this tutorial is just demonstrate my steering technique in a heavy vehicle. I'm in a light rigid vehicle. It's a dual cab Isuzu, and as I go through I'll just explain and demonstrate, and then if you have any questions please feel free to leave comments. I'm just checking my shoulder, little mirror check, shoulder check, all clear, just easing out onto the road. And at the moment what I'm doing is just working the wheel. I mean, this is just a small heavy vehicle. You can also register these as a car as well. And I'm just going out onto the road, just going around a left-hand corner at the moment. That's why you can see this left hand down a little bit on the steering wheel. Quite often when we teach steering, we talk about the steering wheel like a clock face, 12 o'clock at the top, 6 at the bottom, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And at the moment I'm just coming into a 60 zone. Just got my road position, I'm doing my mirror checks, looking up ahead as well, 60 sign, still going around that left-hand bend. It's a sweeping bend, making sure as I look at my left mirror that I'm inside the white line, looking up ahead. My thumbs are just sitting here lightly on the steering wheel. Best practice says don't tuck the thumbs in just in case you have a crash. You know, people will tell you they could get broken and things like that. So thumbs up on top of the wheel. My hands at the moment are probably around the 9 to 3, 10 to 2, around there somewhere. I'm sitting fairly upright in this seat, being a heavy vehicle as well, as opposed to a car when you're sitting down a lot lower and you're working on about a 110 degree angle on your backrest. And also you're sitting more upright with your knees up as well, versus a car where again your legs are bent at less of an angle. I've got a couple of vehicles behind me at the moment. I'm just maintaining my road position, just keeping my mirror checks up. And the bigger the vehicle, the more responsibility that I believe you have to look as far ahead as possible and plan what you're going to be doing with your braking as you come into a corner. So I come off the accelerator a lot earlier in bigger vehicles than I would in a car, for example. So I'm in an automatic vehicle at the moment, so I've just eased off the accelerator, continue my mirror checks, braking, making sure I have space. There's a green painted bicycle area here, it's what they call a storage bay. That's all clear. I've got a vehicle, make sure that they are definitely turning. I don't just trust an indicator anymore. I want to see that the driver is committing to that turn to make sure that it's all safe, because some people accidentally indicate or don't indicate at all. So it can be very confusing at times as to what people are doing. And what I'm going to do now is pull over on the left side of the road. So I check my mirror, I come off the accelerator, I indicate, I do another mirror check, and I slow the vehicle down and move off the road and park to complete this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them on the page. And this has been Brendan from Watto Training. Check our YouTube channel out for more videos and information.